Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can create simple websites using Google Sites and also host it directly on Google Drive. It's completely free. You don't have to pay any money. So if you're a business owner and you want to show your services online, this is one of the best ways to get started. I'll show you everything. Keep watching this video till the end. Meanwhile, do subscribe and like this video. I'll be making more content. Anyways, let's get started. Just go to google.com and just search for Google free website, or you can write free website from Google and you'll get a link here. Just take the one with sites.google.com, just click on that, and here you'll be able to see a lot of templates. Just click on the template gallery and you can see a lot of different designs that you can use for your website. You can build from scratch as well. You can just click on the blank site and you can get started, or if you want you can choose one of these designs whichever suits your business. So for now I'm just going to choose one of these. I'm just going to go ahead with this one. You have to choose one which has very good pages as well as good images, so that we just have to change some very little parts of the website. We don't have to change everything. We don't have to insert more content. We just have to change whatever is inside. So for first you have to just add your site's name. For example, I'm just naming it as BD Media, just a random uh, digital marketing company or an agency. So that's it. And here you can put the site's name, BD Media, or you can put the best digital agency. You can put whatever you want, whatever business you are starting out with, you can put that name in, and you can just put a subtitle as well. You can put it like full services provided, or you can put whatever you want. Okay, you can just make something up, and here you can put your WhatsApp if you want to connect with us on WhatsApp. So what you have to do is you have to click on this and edit the link. You just have to put the WhatsApp link here. You can just Google it and get your WhatsApp link. Just look for a WhatsApp link creator. You'll get so many websites which can make you a link for your WhatsApp. Okay. All right, I'll just show it to you. Just go here. Just look for WhatsApp link creator. Okay. So you just take the first one and you can just go down and just put in your phone number, for example 83564. So just think this is your random number and just put a starting sentence. For example, when your customer visits your WhatsApp, they can send an instant message like hello, or do you still provide services, do you have this product, or something like that. Whatever you want you can put here, or you can put hello, I want to know more. So this is what the customer will send you, the first message. Okay, just click on generate my link and you get a barcode, QR code, as well as you can get a link. This is the link, so just copy the link and go back to your website and you just paste the link here. Just messages, you can put it as messages now. Okay, and put the link. So that's it. So when somebody clicks on this, it'll go directly to their WhatsApp. I mean to our WhatsApp. They'll send us a message. Okay, and here this is like what kind of services we provide. You can put anything you want. There's so many uh, things we can add. We can put YouTube video, calendar, buttons, table of content, whatever you want you can place it here. For now I'm just putting it as a simple agency products, for example our services. Okay, so instead of hairstyling, this is a salon sample template, so we have to change each and everything inside the salon. Also, yeah, we have to change the header image as well. Just upload a new image, whatever we have. For example, I'm just taking a digital marketing uh, image, and for our services we can just put Facebook ads, then we can put Google ads, and Google business profile optimization. Okay, we can put, and you also have to change the image. Just click on top of the image and click the three dots and replace image, upload, and you can choose Facebook ads image. So for each service you have to look for an image on the internet. You can get lots of images. Okay, so I'm changing these images here. So this is for Google Ads, and for Google optimization I'll just choose another one. Okay, it didn't change. Sometimes some errors happen, so you have to make sure it changes. Okay, now we have our services shown. So yeah, here you can put in like something like your introduction. We are a full scale online marketing agency which has helped over hundreds or thousands, whatever, hundreds of businesses thrive and get many customers. Or you can just search on ChatGPT. You can make up an introduction if you don't have any. Use ChatGPT or Claude.ai. You can make up your own introduction. And here as well, just this is the footer. Here you have to put like you can put your privacy links, terms of conditions, all those links you can put. For that, you will have to add something like more what do you call pages. You have to create some extra pages, then you have to add those links here. Okay, for now I'm just going to be putting contact us on WhatsApp, since we are currently just using the WhatsApp. Click here, just put it as click here, and then link. You have to paste the WhatsApp link we have. Okay, apply. So this is the website, how it looks like. So on top we have some different pages: services, about us. All these pages has content, but since it's from another template and another business, it's not going to be suitable for us unless we change everything. We'll have to change each and everything in this website. So for now I'm just going to disable so many of these pages. I'm just going to stick to home page. Okay, so we go to pages on the right side. Here you can see services. You just have to hide from navigation. We can activate it later. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just click here and you can activate it. Contact, hide. So it's currently empty. We just have the home page. Okay, so that's more than enough. Let's just click on these home pages here. You'll go directly there even if it's disabled. Okay, and after that you just have to publish the website and we are good to go. We have a simple website, so you can rename your website whatever you want. BD Media. Okay, so since sometimes the website names are taken, so you can't do anything. Agency. Okay, we have the BD Media Agency. So we just, this is how the site will look like, because you don't have a custom domain. If you want to have your own domain name, you have to use existing domain. Okay, you can just go to the settings here and you can add your own domain. Okay, since we are done here, you just click on publish and the website is ready now. If you click on view, you can see the website and it's fully published. It's a simple website. You can add more pages as well. Okay, and so where is this website saved? If you go to your Google Drive, you will be able to see the website. Okay, it's called as Salon, since we are using the Salon page. Okay, now you just have to name it to be the Medium Agency. Okay, so once we are done here, we can edit the website if we want to. We can do anything we want. We can add custom domains here, brand images. Okay, we can change the different toolbar settings here, and analytics. If you want, you can connect your Google Analytics here. Announcement banners. If you want like a more announcement banner, you can show it here. and it will be on, it will show up. Okay, and make sure to click publish all the time so that it'll just keep refreshing. And also, if you want to get the published link, just click here, and this is your site. You can just copy the link and send it to your friends or to your clients or anybody. And also, yeah, it will show up on Google, but it will take some time. You'll have to publish it on Google Search Console as well. You have to connect it. It's a different video, so I won't be able to explain everything here. So this is how you publish your simple website, and you can host it on a Google Drive. Also, you can, yeah, you can put it on a folder. Just go to Drive and add a new folder, websites. Okay, you create a websites folder, and you can drag it here, so you can build all the websites into one folder. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more content like this. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Just